Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today on Ubix Toys, we're unboxing the 4th W Club exclusive doll from 2020. It's a puppy one. More precisely, instead of one doll, we got a 2-doll gift set. It's mostly inspired by the movie Grease, with a Sandy character's good and bad side inspiration. The gift set is titled Sugar and Spice, and this duo is designed by David Buttery for the Puppy Parker collection. I love that he took inspiration from that movie, working on a duality of the character. On one hand, we have Sugar Puppy, which is inspired by the Nifty 50s and Soda Shop Barbie. Look at the dog on the dress, almost the same design. And on the other, we have Spice Puppy, which is a mix of Sandy in the two Grease movies. This gift set is a limited edition of 2,630 pieces, a big edition. At the price of $225. Yes, it's an expensive 2-doll gift set this time, much more expensive than the previous ones. Okay, let's take them out of the shipper box. The box opens differently this time. Here is the packaging of the gift set we have already seen a few years ago with the Bon Bon collection, Puppy Goes to Paris. I would like that one day all the packaging were made with a clear plastic window to admire the dolls. Now, let's open the box. Here they are. What a beautiful gift set. So, we have on the left Puppy Parker named Sugar, dressed in her pink dress with white cardigan. She's so cute. And on the right, Puppy Parker named Spice. Yes, the bad girl. She looks amazing. They have the Puppy Parker 1.5 body type with articulated ankle for the Sugar Puppy and high-heeled foot sculpt for the Spice. They both have F4 white skin tone. Sugar has light blonde hair color. She's so pretty, with her pale blue eyes, black eyeliner and pink eyeshadow. Her screening corresponds perfectly to this era. Spice has platinum hair color. She looks great too, but honestly, I'm a little disappointed of her eye look. On the promo picture she looks a lot sultrier, like Lady Luck, but there she almost has her eyes wide open. I still think she looks gorgeous, and in fact, this change doesn't bother me. Here's the certificate of authenticity. 2,630 pieces. Wow, Puppy sure has a big fan base. Here are the acrylic white stands with the Puppy Parker logo on it. Let's unpack them. Let's check out the accessories drawer. We'll see them in detail later in the video. Here are, not in order, a pink bag, a pair of black high-heeled shoes, a pair of white flat shoes, a pair of grip hands, another one, a black purse, a pink scarf and a cigarette, a pair of socks, black sunglasses, a set of jewellery, and the second set of jewellery. Now, let's start with Sugar Puppy. Look at her face, she looks so cute. She has short nails matching her lipstick. She comes dressed in a white cardigan and a pink skirt with tulle. She has the articulated ankle, which I'm not a big fan of, but I understand that in this case, she has to wear flat shoes for that look. Let's take the hairnet off her. I like her hairstyle. I don't notice any visible issues. I wish her bangs were worn more to the side. Now, let's take a closer look at the accessories. She comes with an alternate pair of slight hold hands, with the same nail polish as her lipstick. Here are the white Bobby socks. The pink and white flat saddle shoes. I just love these kinds of miniature shoes. Here is the pink straw bag. As you can see, it's very detailed with the opening system. Here is the set of jewellery, including pink heart earrings and bangle bracelet. Now, let's take a look at her outfit. It's composed of a beaded white cardigan with silver and pink iridescent pearls. There are 6 tiny buttons. It's so well made and so cute. Let's take off the skirt. Underneath, she's wearing a petticoat made of layers of pink tulle. Here is her pink poodle skirt. Like I said, widely inspired by Nifty 50s and Soda Shop Barbie. There is another layer underneath of lining. And finally, she wears a sleeveless white bodysuit with a rounded collar. Now she's totally dressed. What do you think of her? Let's place the doll on the stand so we can look at all the details. Now, Spice, it's your turn to show your look. She's great, isn't she? Her look is to die for. I'm still impressed by so many details. Just like Sugar, she has short nails matching her lipstick. However, Spice has high-heeled feet. Let's remove the hairnet. I like this hairstyle, but with this style, it's always a little messy. I will have to work on it a little bit. Now, let's take a closer look at her accessories. She comes with an alternate pair of slight hold hands, with the same nail polish as her lipstick. Here is the pink neck scarf. And the fake cigarette accessory that I love. You can use the alternate hand to hold it. Here are the black open-toe pumps. Here is the black clutch purse. You can also open it. The black cat eye sunglasses with pink small diamond details. Here is the set of jewellery including mini hoop earrings, one silver bracelet and one charm bracelet with pink and black beads. Here she is, fully dressed. I put her earrings on, but for your information, I had to use a needle to pierce her ear because it was almost impossible to put the earring on. She's wearing a black halter top with shoulder straps and polka dot bow detail. There is a faux leather belt and black capri pants. Here is the famous pink satin bomber jacket. You can see the contrasting embroidery detail on the front and back. What a masterpiece! Let's place the doll on the stand so we can look at all the details. So, what do you think of this Poppy gift set? Don't hesitate to comment. David Buttery did a great job on this Grease inspiration, as he had done for Charlie's Angels Farrah Fawcett's tribute. I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of Poppy Parker's Sugar and Spice gift set. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell to be notified of new videos every week. Stay safe, I'll see you guys again very soon. Bye for now.